Hey, what's going on, everyone? A top analyst is saying that ICP is going to go to $10. Now, it doesn't look like it is right now because the currency is currently down, what, 7.25%? So maybe not today, but possibly in the future. What do you guys think? Let's go ahead and break this down. Welcome, everyone, to my channel. This is HueFin News. This is the spot, the location that you're going to get price predictions in the cryptocurrency space. Look at that, all without the confusion. So welcome to the channel. You guys appreciate it. Make sure you guys support by hitting the like, sharing, and subscribing to the channel, as well as tapping that bell notification, because I don't want you to miss out on our price predictions, so that we may stay ahead of the game, so that we may stay ahead of those who are trying to play against us. So check this out. Price prediction right here in ICP. It's been on here for a long time, ever since the 17th of February. Here it is, the 28th of March. And price currently is still within our profit area, but it hasn't hit our ultimate TP price, or did it? Oh, it did. Look at that right there. On the 10th of March, 25.31% ICP came and hit ultimate TP price. So that's great. So let's go ahead and get rid of that. And let's also talk about the current trend. Do you guys still think ICP is trending down? Or, considering that price is no longer trending down, we might be trading within a consolidational trading range? I think that might be the case. So we're going to go ahead and get rid of this downtrend line here for ICP. We will also get rid of this buy pocket there. We're going to hold this buy pocket down here at the very bottom, right here around $4.75, because that is where those buyers really came through and supported ICP, and price began to lift. Now, it wasn't a substantial lift. Like the guys can see, it only ran up to a high of $6.37 from the low of $4.83, so maybe $2 run to the upside. But now price is coming right back down. So it looked like the market is going to try to test this buy pocket again. So while we're here, we're going to go ahead and identify some more areas of buying, just in case these sellers do get rid of these buyers right around this area here. Okay, so let's see, do we have any other areas that we may want to identify? It looks like it's right here. Very big area. Okay, so I do like that potential area to be a pocket. And then let's go ahead and run another one down there around $3.50. Okay, so we got that. Okay, so here it is. Let's zoom in a little bit closer. Would you be surprised that the reason why ICP is down 7.35% right now is because of this area right here? Would you agree with that? Because that's a sell pocket. These sellers in ICP right here on March the 6th, they're still there. March 26th confirmed that, because the price in ICP currently is down 7.5%. It seems like every time I speak, the market's going lower and lower in ICP. So the market here in ICP is still showing and reflecting that whoever is in this pocket has more ICP to sell. And until that seller gets out the way, we need to expect that the market's going to trade, if anything, within that consolidational trading range, or we'll continue to see the price go lower. So the option of us looking for ICP to run at $10, it doesn't look feasible as of this recording. Okay, so let's look at this on the 2 then. So here's ICP on the 2. Currently, this is the beginning of the current most recent 2-day price bar. But outside of that, the market doesn't look extremely weak. So if anything, we might just see this market trade within a range. Here it is on the 3. Considering that we have 13 hours left and looking at the market right now in ICP, that doesn't look bullish. It looked like, I told you earlier, it looked like we might come back down and test this buy pocket in ICP. The only thing that would change my mind, if in the next 13 hours, the close of this 3-day price bar comes all the way back up to the high, then that would mean that those buyers, they haven't given up. They're still here, and they're willing to try to eradicate these sellers in that pocket right here. Take a look at this on the 4. Pretty much the same thing on the 3, but we have a day this time, day and 14 hours before this price bar closes. But again, it doesn't look too bullish. And if we do, in fact, see ICP in the next day and 14 hours close down here on the low, we would expect the market to come down and test this first buy pocket. If not, that next one down there around $4. Here it is on the 5. ICP on the weekly chart so far. Here it is on the 2, 3, 5, and the month. All right, so here it is on the hourly chart real quick. Definitely weakness. You guys can see the last 2 prior 5-hour bars. Market went down. We got the sell signal being triggered. The only thing that can stop this market ICP from going any lower will be these people right here. Okay, if they still want to buy ICP in this pocket of buying, cool. This is where the market's going to bounce. So we're going to test this area relatively soon. It might be a little bit higher, like up here, which is right now. And then the next pocket would be here. Okay, so I'm going to keep these here on the chart just for reference, just letting you know, hey, if this market is going to go higher, it needs to bounce off of one of these 2 buy pockets, period. Until then, look for the market and ICP to go down. Okay, so let me push this back on the daily chart. And we're going to move this up here. And these targets right here would be these buy pockets would be our target. The first one would be around $5.50. That's only 2 3/4. That's great if you want to see price and ICP go up. The sooner that we see price hit a buy pocket, the better for price to go higher. If they don't hold this first buy pocket, our next target is going to be around $5.25 to $5.30. 7.63 on the low of this buy pocket. Then our third target would be ICP coming and hitting this third buy pocket either at the high, which is around $5, or all the way down here at the low, which is what, 15%, 15.9% move. And that's it. We'll see what happens. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit. And as always, trade different.